Good morning, family management class. I just wanted to quickly share a quick video talking about what we are finishing up today. We will be wrapping up this portion of Living on Your Own. You will take a look at my Google form quickly that we talked about earlier this week, talking about what you guys would like to, or getting the consensus of what you guys would like to finish out this course with. We have several units we are not going to get to, so your options will be careers, where you have like career decisions. You can research how much you can make at certain careers, what it takes as far as education and or trade school. So we can do searches and things like that. Or we can focus on personal finance, which we'll talk about credit and budgets and how you can plan wisely with your money. Or we have consumerism. Consumerism is going to make you a savvy consumer as far as knowing what your rights are. We'll talk about guarantees, what you'll need to look out for. So those are the three options that I'll give you. We only have 2 weeks left. So let me know. We'll go with majority rules. However, the survey comes out, and that will start next week. Okay? After that, you're going to get on to CW Pub Online. You will do another experience on Coast to Coast, Living on Your Own. However, I only want you to pick a 3-month experience. I want you to complete it. You will be graded for it, and that will also be your participation. Okay, so 3 months shouldn't take you too long, and otherwise, have a great weekend. If you need me, reach out to me. I will be here, obviously. We just don't have a live Zoom. But message me, email me, and we will, definitely I'll get back to you quickly. Okay, have a great weekend, and I will see you soon.